Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to craft a budding amethyst in Minecraft. For that, we just need to take a bone meal and we need to take some pieces of amethyst shards. After that, we go to crafting table and we put them like that. And as you can see, I've just crafted a budding amethyst. And you may ask, guys, how did I do that? Because you cannot craft a budding amethyst in vanilla Minecraft. And yeah, of course you cannot, but the thing is, I'm using a data pack for this. You can find this data pack in my Telegram channel. I gave you the link in the description, and you just click download, save it on your PC, and after that you install it to your Minecraft world. You can use this data pack on any Minecraft version, guys. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.